Hi everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and today we are going to do the stocking challenge winner, draw that winner, as well as I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful stocking for my dad. It is a memory stocking from a flannel shirt of his. So anyway, let's get on with it. Hey guys, I just want to show you how I'm putting together my stocking for the stocking challenge. I did a stocking challenge for you guys, and it is closed as of December 20th, and I wanted to show you how I made mine. This stocking is from the Dollar Tree. I'm using some old rickrack that I had at home, and I may use some gold trim, but I'm not sure yet. Then I'm using a piece from my dad's flannel shirt and some burlap that I had on hand. Everything that I'm using I already had on hand except for the Dollar Tree stocking. This is my dad. He loved Christmas, so I'm making a memory stocking with him in mind. And then I'm going to use this little star that I had on hand, and this was from Walmart, and I don't even know how long I've had it on hand. A long time. And then I've got some buttons here, then some wax paper to put inside the stocking for when I attach what I'm going to make. Okay, so what I decided to do is to make a Christmas tree on the stocking, and what I needed was a piece of fabric from my dad's shirt. So I needed to know what the measurement was and how big I wanted my tree to be. My tree is going to be the centerpiece of this stocking. It's going to be a simple kind of like farmhouse type, rustic, old world type stocking. And so I have already cut out my tree. Now this is going to be my tree. The way that I cut it out was I folded my material in half, and on the fold I cut out a triangle. So I'll show you right here that I had my material folded in half, and I cut out my triangle like this. So then when I open it up, I have my tree. Now I'm going to put a star here, so I wasn't worried about that being flat. Okay. Now I'm using this flannel shirt for a number of memory crafts for my DIYs for you guys to make gifts for your family from little pieces that remind you of them. So what I also did was I took the burlap and applied the same procedure. I used my tree as the pattern, and then I cut my burlap just a tad bigger. What I wanted was my burlap to be showing on the outside of my tree. Also, when I cut my burlap in place, I cut a little bit here to be the bottom of the tree. So you can see this is how I cut it. And I used my shirt as the pattern, and then I cut the burlap just a little bit bigger. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere my flannel to my burlap like so, and then what I want to do is take some buttons, some old buttons, and I'm going to sew them on to my tree, and I'm also going to apply some of this rickrack so that it looks like garland. So I'm going to do that real quickly, and then we'll put it on the stocking. You'll see what it looks like. And then I'm going to put Dad up here at the top with this same rickrack. This is old. I don't even know how old it is, but you could use whatever you have on hand. Now one thing too, I'm going to use a needle and thread to apply these because I want the thread to be sticking out of the button. But I am using some hot glue that is fabric safe. So these are fabric glue sticks, and I have a separate glue gun that I use for that. So I am going to be using that as well. Okay. want to have your tree decorated however you want. Now I sewed my buttons on, but you could glue them on as well, and it looks really, really cute. So now I'm ready to adhere my tree to my stocking. Really simple. And I'm going to glue it onto my stocking. So inside my stocking I have the little piece of cardboard that's got like a slick side, but I also added some wax paper, make sure that nothing is sticking. And I'm going to glue down my tree and then glue on my star. And then the next thing I'm going to do is write Dad up here. So to put Dad on here, I'm using a chalk pencil just to give me an outline to work with, and I'm going to glue down this beautiful old rickrack to spell Dad. Okay, and that's how I put together my memory stocking for my dad. You could add more to it, but using this Dollar Tree stocking was just a great base, saved me some time, and I put together a really, really cute stocking for my dad, and I am going to hang it every year so I can think of him at this time of year and remember this is his shirt and he loved Christmas. So let's get on with the stocking challenge winner. Okay guys, let's go ahead and draw for the winner of the stocking challenge. All the entries were amazing, and I have to say I can't pick more than one, but they are all adorable. So I'm going to show you the pictures here, but I'm going to put the pictures in the video when I announce them. So Bonnie's picture here printed the largest for some reason on my printer. It is beautiful, and she took so much time with her work. So here's her picture up close for you. Okay, and then we have Cindy Kyle, and I'm going to post her picture, and she made these for her pets, so buttons, bows, and boxers. So cute. So Debbie Music did this cute lighted stocking. What a great idea, with some mittens and a tree and Santa. Love it. Lori Wetmore, she just put together everything that says Christmas, right? And it's so cute. And she said that she was inspired by an advent calendar that her mom used to put together for the kids, and so she's going to start making these for her grandkids. So anyway, I'm going to put her picture here. This is Kay Johnson's elegant stocking. She put some beautiful, colorful flowers in here, and she called it a snowflake family. I think you can see it on the picture here. And then here is Denise Shaw's gnome place, like home for the holidays. Adorable, lots of work going into that little gnome there. So beautiful. So anyway, we have to draw a winner. So here's Denise's picture. Okay, so thank you for taking the time to enter to win this $20 gift card from the Dollar Tree. And I wish I could give you all one, but I can't. So we're just going to pick one. I'm just mixing up all the names from the entries, and we have a winner. Denise Shaw. Denise, you have won the challenge. Thank you so much for entering. You've won the stocking challenge. I do believe I have your email, so I'll also email you. But congratulations, and I will be sending you this gift card for you to spend at the Dollar Tree. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for entering the challenge, and I look forward to more videos with you. So Merry Christmas.